What's up, guys? It's Mike Goes here, and today I'm doing a review on my bike. So, first things first, let's start up here. I have purple ODI mushroom grips. These are 120 millimeter long grips. They're comfortable. They're a little dirty right now. They're pretty comfortable. They are a pain to put on at first because this hole right here is really small. So I would say if you're putting these on, use like water, hairspray, or like cologne, something like that. So I have this brake lever. It's a generic brake lever. I got it from Amazon with a brake kit, but I don't know. I don't have the brake that it came with on the back. I have a Shimano, but I'll show you that once I get there. I have GT Dyno chrome bars, generic stem, swobo top cap. I have swobo branded fork, some beach cruiser tire that I'm going to replace for some Maxes. I have a slime Presta valve inner tube. I have purple and white Black Ops spoke skins that I got from Jake's Bike Shop in Manchester, New Hampshire. If you're there, stop by the shop. I got Stay True XCV rim in the front, all the way up to 6061 aluminum swobo frame, a water bottle holder that is pretty cruddy, and my bike's pretty dirty. I have a $6 Walmart chain, which I will be replacing with this purple KMC chain. Okay, so I have and what's holding that chain in place is a SC39 tooth front sprocket, curb dog 175 millimeter cranks, and on those cranks are Odyssey twisted PC purple pedals. I have a Profile Racing Enduro bottom bracket. All the way back to these pegs I got yesterday. They're $10 from Walmart. They're Snafu Dominator pegs. I don't know, they just twist on because I had to replace my axle. I have this generic single speed conversion kit, generic rotor, a Shimano mechanical disc caliper, a seat from my dad's mountain bike. I don't really know much about it, but yeah, that's really all there is to it. There isn't much to it. Oh yeah, then I got this right here. This, yeah, that headset. Right here, if you see closely, I don't know if you can, STR it says. Yeah, STR. That's a headset it came with. Came with the bike. I have a front rotor up front that I need to take off. Oh yeah, this is quick release, so if I just need to quickly take that one off, I can. This one I need a screwdriver to take off because these pegs are just like the bolts. And surprisingly, these pegs came with like these plastic ends on them, which is pretty nice. They're really light for a cheap one. I have some Black Ops spoke covers in the back too. Not much about them. But then for the tire, I have a Specialized Hemisphere tire, 26" by 1.95. Generic rim and hub. Don't really know much about this. But it's pretty decent. The teeth on the back here is 16 and the front is 39. If you know anything about like SC bikes, then you would know that this gear ratio is heavier than like blocked flyers, OM flyers. But I gotta say, it's pretty nice. The brakes are doo-doo. They don't work at all. They're pretty bad. So I'm going to put everything that I got for this bike in the description below. I'll link Jake's Bike Shop in the description below. And I'm going to be putting the links of everything else I'm going to get. I'm going to get chrome, super big honking cruiser bars, a Tektro hydraulic. I'm going to get Maxis, and then that should be pretty good for everything I want to get for now at least. So Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Share this with your friends. Maybe, I don't know, don't care. Just like, comment, subscribe. And turn on post notifications. Because I'm going to try getting more videos out. Because I got a new editing software for my computer. So yeah. I'll see you guys later. And see you in the next video, I'm going to guess.